One of the biggest challenges we face in September is getting our garden or transitioning our garden from spring and summer to fall plants. This can be challenging for some, but come along with me and I'll show you the end of the month tour of my garden and how it has changed. In this raised bed, we grew black-eyed peas. This was our second planting of black-eyed peas here. And we went ahead and removed all of the black-eyed peas earlier this month. And we also amended the bed, adding more soil and nutrients to it, and returned it into our lettuce bed. Now, we have 5 different types of lettuce, and we also have 2 red cabbages planted down at the end. Overall, everything is doing good in this bed as long as I keep everything watered because it's still warm here. Temperatures are in the low 90s during the day, in the 60s at night. But as long as I keep everything watered, it looks like everything is producing and growing nicely. Okay, in this bed, this is the Vigo self-watering cube. We harvested our sweet potatoes and amended the soil, and we added cabbage. Now, we have 5 plants in here. I normally don't have the screen or covering up, but for filming purposes, we have it up. And I may have to come in and spray inside here. I see some. It looks like the plants have been nibbled on, but overall, they look like they're doing good. And this is the Tremol raised bed. We had our compass filet green beans in it, and we harvested them. We got quite a decent supply or harvest from them. I was quite surprised. We have planted cauliflower and Brussels sprouts in this bed. And right now, at the time of this filming, it's in the middle part of the day. So I have just turned on the drip system, and it's going to run for a while so that these plants get a nice cool drink and don't suffer too much. But overall, they're doing good. The bed was amended with more soil and nutrients in the form of compost, blood meal, and bone meal, and the general purpose tomato fertilizer that, if you follow my channel, you know that I use. In this bed, we had 3 bell pepper plants. For some reason or another, they're dying or on their way out. I have removed 1 already, and the other 2 are in the process of dying. We also planted some pink peas. Yeah, pink as opposed to black. But they're producing peas now. So probably sometime in October, we'll be doing our harvest of them. In this bed here, we have some Brussels sprouts, and we also planted some radishes as well. And again, everything is doing well. I'm going to probably need to come out and spray them because it looks like something's been munching on them, but plants are doing well. I'm happy with that. We're going to walk over to the raised bed next to it. This is the bed that had the turnips and 2 different types of turnips and rutabagas in it. And These plants are slowly but surely coming back. I burnt them when I fertilized them about 2-3 weeks ago, and some of the fertilizer got on the leaves and really burnt them, but they are coming back. They're doing good. Lesson learned: when I am fertilizing them, to make sure that I cover up the dusting of the fertilizer with soil and try not to let it get onto the plants themselves. Okay, on this side of the U-shaped bed, we have broccoli growing. They're starting to get bigger and doing good. They too were burnt somewhat the last time that I fed them, but they are coming back real well. On the straight side of the U-bed, we have our Clemson spineless okra, and we have 4 plants. They're doing good, and I need to come out and harvest some ears of okra that are here, or pods of okra rather. If I do it tomorrow, they're going to be too big and probably only fit for seed. On this side of the U-bed, we have 4 collard green plants, and they're getting exposed right now to a high dose of sun. So they too are also getting the drip system, and hopefully they will be okay. On the other side of on the first drip line, we have radishes that I planted. I just dropped them along the drip line, and they have germinated and are coming up. This is the self-watering movable raised bed. In it, we have carrots that I planted, and as you can see here in the middle, we have carrots that have come up. And what I have learned is that even though it may be self-watering, I still need to make sure that these carrot seeds themselves are moist, not drenched, but moist, so that they will germinate. This is my watering can that I got from my friends when I retired. Moses' retirement established 2022. In this raised bed, we have the 3 different types of determinate tomatoes, and as you can see, they're doing good. We also planted some curly leaf mustards along the black drip line here, and they have come up. I'm going to let them get bigger and then slowly thin them out. On the tomato plants, some of them actually now have little fruit, and let me show you one here real quick. Right here, we have a little tomato coming along. We have lots of flowers that are showing up. So hopefully my plan of having fall tomatoes will come to pass. Keeping my fingers crossed. Hey, these are my burgundy okra plants. And if you remember earlier in this month, or maybe August, both of these were snapped and bent over due to a thunderstorm that we had. And what I did was in the case of the tallest one, put masking tape on, electrical tape around and taped it back up. And it grew and it grew, and to the point now where I can't reach it without using a step ladder. And the other one, while I didn't put tape on it or anything, I just stood it back up. It mended itself and continues to produce like crazy. Now, in the bed, also, we have a squash plant, and we now have little squash that are starting to form. They haven't opened up to be fertilized or anything like that, so maybe my plan of having a fall squash harvest is coming to pass, keeping our fingers crossed, and hopefully it will. In this bed, we have some more okra, and they are producing like crazy, as they're just like their other plants in the U-shaped bed. Now, after these have run their course, both this bed that you're looking at and this one here, we're going to remove and plant some more brassicas in them. And also, once the tomatoes have expired back here. So we have plants inside the house that have been started. And once they are big enough to come out, they'll be transplanted into these 3 beds here. Now, here are my cucumber vines, and I'm not sure what's going on with them. I have some very oddly shaped cucumbers that may be due to a watering issue, although they get watered just as much as the other raised beds. I'm not sure, but I did drop some more seeds down. I think the ones that I dropped are the Excelsior seeds. They should be coming along well. The volunteer sweet potato vine is doing good. It has pretty much taken over the bed. Now, I'm not sure if in November, December, when this stuff comes out, if I will have sweet potatoes or not, but stay tuned and keep your fingers crossed. And this was another raised bed. This is the Grow Right raised bed. The plants were burnt by me, and I nursed them back. They are doing good. They're getting bigger. And as long as I keep them watered, they should be fine. And we will definitely have lots of collard greens to harvest during the fall. So tomato row is no more, and we have removed all of the tomatoes except one vine in this container here. And it has tomatoes on it. They're not huge. I believe this is a cherry type tomato. They're not big, but they are producing, so we will have tomatoes at some point. The other tomatoes that were in the grow bags that were woven together with the Florida weave, we have removed those. We've added more soil to it, to the beds, so they're ready to be harvested. To be planted in. And my plan is to have squash in 3 beds, 3 of these beds. And then the other ones, we're going to have some form of brassica, be it a mustard or a broccoli or cabbage, but we're going to have some. Now, next to here is pepper row, and pepper row continues to produce. We have, although it looks as if the leaves on all the peppers are slowly but surely thinning out, I may have to come out and prepare them for fall, do some pruning, add more soil compost to each and every one of them. But overall, they're doing good. Very, very, very good. I want to show you all the papaya plant that I nursed back to health. I am not sure if I will actually have a papaya, but there's some type of, that looks like there's a fruit on it. Come with me. So for my Caribbean friends, is this the beginning of a papaya? And it looks like I have some more up here as well. Let me know. Leave me a comment below and I'll reply. So this is the beginning of my 5-gallon bucket area, and my plan is to have 3 in this metal raised bed here. And I'm going to get some bricks and place them here and have. Now here in my fruit area, you're looking at 2 peach trees. They are doing fantastic. Over next to them, we have the blackberries. We have 3 of those. They are doing great. My strawberries, for lack of, I don't know what is going on with them, but they aren't doing well and they are dying. The blueberries are doing fantastic and continuing to grow and get bigger. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did the end of the month tour. I hope you enjoyed the video, you got something out of it, and it brought a smile to your face. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you're new to my channel, thank you. I appreciate you stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Chances are, if you like my videos, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.